Alright, you've asked for it, and here it is, a 1958 Cadillac extended sedan DeVille update. It's been like pulling teeth to get time work on cars these days. My full-time job is very, very busy, and my family always comes first. But I'm tearing down the top end. I want to find out why she's stuck. And if I'm lucky, I can free it up with the heads off. All I have left to do now is take off the exhaust manifolds on both sides, and I got the oil filter off, got the power steering pump off, working on the water jacket and the water pump bolts, and then she should be able to come off. And I'm very lucky. I haven't had any needing for a torch. They all come in with penetrating oil. The hood was down since 1989. In the woods. So I do believe something is either rusted or she was parked for mechanical failure. On the top end, just by looking at it, it does not look like mechanical failure. Nothing looks rusted, nothing looks damaged. The push rods weren't even bent. So I'm still digging away, but I wanted to give you an update, and I'm going to go as far as I can today before I got to leave. But I'm going to try and get the heads off, and I'll show the top of the engine, top of the pistons, and if they don't look too bad, I'm going to clean them up, get the honing tool, and if there's a ridge there, get the ridge out, and just keep lubing them. And if I can get the engine to turn over with the heads off, then I can focus on getting the heads and valves done, and then just put them back on, and hopefully it should be a runner. 89,000 miles is not a crazy amount of miles. I mean, for a 58, I guess it's getting a little bit up there, but Cadillac engines can go way longer than that. The big question mark is, why was it parked at that miles, and how was it treated? Was it abused? Was it parked for failure, or just it didn't want it anymore, or what was the reason? That I don't know. It came from, the Ministry of Transportation tells me it only goes back to about 1970 on their records. And so according to them, I'm the third owner. And according to the history of the car, it came off of a hoarder. The hoarder bought it off this apparently first owner in '89, and then it was parked in the woods, basically on his property, from '89 until 2019 when I got it. And so I want to see what's going on with this engine. If this engine can be saved, I'll save it. If not, I'll build the 390 I got last fall from Ottawa, because it dropped right in, as you know. But the welder wants his car in a week or two, so I want to know where I am with the engine, so when the car is being welded up, I can decide what engine I'm going to put back in it, or if I can just get this engine going and get the heads redone and run it with this engine. I think it might be nicer if I can get this engine to run, because its original numbers matching Cadillac 365 and all that stuff. I am a purist, at heart, but if it takes a 390 to get this car to run, that's what I'm going to do. It's only 1 year newer. But either way, I want to give you an update because you've been filling my inbox with questions, and I don't blame you. I've been very busy with family and work, but I haven't forgotten, and I'm making progress, so stay tuned. Next video hopefully will show you with the heads off. Alright, update number 1 for this car for January. Talk to you soon, and I'll see you down the road.